I'm Sarah. I'm a film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. On today's episode, it's a birthday celebration. Happy birthday! One of my favorite people's turning 30 this weekend. And just because we're in quarantine doesn't mean your birthday shouldn't be special. So to make it extra special, I'm gonna bake up some delicious birthday cookies. We're gonna make cookies and cream cookies. I got this recipe from Marian, who runs Sweetopia. Boop, 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 boop. Let's get our ingredients out. Let's start baking.
Sift 5 cups of flour with a teaspoon of salt. Beep.
You can use a food processor for crushing the Oreos. I like to use good old-fashioned rolling pin. Great for crushing Oreos, and you get some aggression out.
Crush up 12 to 14 Oreo cookies. Cream together 4 sticks of butter and 2 cups of sugar. Make it light and floofy. Add a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. Floofy, floofy, floof, floof, floofy. Add 1 egg. Mix, mix, mix. Add the second egg. Mix, mix, mix.
Add a tablespoon of cookies and cream flavor.
Add all of your flour and salt mixture. Don't forget to cover your mixer with a towel so the flour doesn't fly out. Ta-da! You have dough. Add all of your Oreo cookies. Ooh, stay in the pot.
Just a little tip when rolling out the cookies and cream cookies. The more you roll the dough, the darker the dough gets because of the Oreos. So try not to over-roll. Shall we roll out some dough?
Set your oven to 350.
Because it's her birthday, I'm gonna make some balloon cookies. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use these dowels. This is what it'll look like.
Push the dowel into the back of the cookie. I like to cover it with a little extra cookie dough just to make sure it's secure. Boop, 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 boop.
Fun fact, meringue powder is often used as an egg white substitute in recipes. Let's make some royal icing. But first, some coffee. Okay, I'm ready.
Mix 3/4 cup of warm water with 5 tablespoons of meringue powder. Whisk, 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 whisk. Add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Add 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Ooh, nice. Separate your icing into bowls. Add your color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
You have to be extra careful with the cookies you bake on a dowel. I tend to bake them just a little bit longer so they're not too delicate. Cupcake, cupcake, who doesn't love a cupcake cookie? Sprinkles are life. These are actually nonpareils. Cherry on top. Boop. Good thing Cookie Monster's not here. Orange and blue, my favorite colors. Go Broncos. Ooh, 30. Let's package them up and surprise the birthday girl. Time to drop off the cookies. Beep, beep, beep. Doo-doo-doo, boop, boop. Let's go. Dropping them off.
Thank you, Sarah.
Yay! Social distancing.
Look at those. Look at those cookies. Yeah.
If you have the power to make somebody happy, especially on their birthday, do it. But if you have the power to make somebody happy with baked goods, do that. Because happiness is just 1 cupcake cookie away. Or maybe it's 2.
I think it depends on the day. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Now, which one should I eat first? Happy baking!